infinity, so this tends to infinity. And what this means is that the small angle approximation in this problem is not valid. Because the angle theta is growing so large over time, if you have a damping element, that damping element is going to get bent, essentially. That's one way of thinking about it, okay? And the other way is, you start at a particular position and you're giving it a nudge, it is never going to come back to where it started, which is what the damper is trying to make it do. The damper is trying to say, okay, hey, don't go too far, come back. But because the system is so unstable, inherently, its characteristic trait, the system just veers off to infinity, the damping element cannot do anything, and it's a terrible design. Okay? So this is an unstable system. And so the idea, very last one, the idea is that if you want to look at the stability of the system, you look at only the free response. Why is that? Is because I can apply any kind of a force I want to an unstable system and make it do what I want it to do. I can make systems dance to my tunes by a force. Does not tell me anything about the inherent capability of the system. Okay? Thank you, and we'll discuss this more in the next one.